Makaih.
Drop.
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Ignition on.
Yep.
Appliance starter.
Well, so this just happened. You saw the excitingness of smoke and whatnot.
Well.
Yeah, as you guys probably saw in the video, I went to go turn the light off, and this is the horn wire that's hot. And the light was pushing this against the frame here and basically shorted it out. With this setup and with the way they are in 1947, there is no power. There is no fuse for this. That will be changing. But yeah, that's what the smoke show was. That's almost burnt the house down for the second time. Third. Yeah, whatever. I don't know what number we're on.
She's second. She caught the oven on fire.
Back what we were trying to do. We were trying to ground and all my beautiful work. Hey guys, welcome back to 520 Speedworks. Today's video is going to focus on getting the motor running on its own. So basically longer than 30 seconds. We got to finish the radiator. We got to finish plumbing. We got to get the front painted so that we can get the radiator permanently installed. But that's what today's going to focus on. So let's get started. All right, guys. So we're going to start taking the front grill off so we can get to the back of the radiator mounts. Get this area opened up. Probably end up taking the fenders off too, just so we get this painted one final time before we start putting it back together. So here we go.
Bashing like a monkey.
What's that?
You're bashing like a monkey.
Bashing like a monkey? I don't even know what that means.
Like you're banging around like a monkey.
Oh. There's a video out there. Of course, on the ground.
Yeah, I see what it is.
There's a video out there where there's a monkey and he's sitting in a hood of a hot rod, and he's got a wrench, and he's like putting the wrench on like nuts, like he knows
really?
like what to do. He knows like what to do with the wrench.
Oh.
It's funny because the video says Yuba City, which is up where like Ken is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I should keep a bolt dropping counter.
You should.
That's number 2. Riveting stuff on this week's
Actually, it's not riveting. It's wrenching. Riveting, like, or yeah. Yeah, nice try though. No, it just it gives off.
Oh, there's
Number
number
3.
3.
It just gives off.
That's number 5. Now it's number 6.
I don't even know what this came from.
I don't either, but man, I am actually gonna have to put a counter up on this.
You bolts. Finally getting them painted.
I'm not sure how we're gonna get in there.
Roll it up, hit the wheel. nice having a steering wheel in it. Hit the little bump, I'm like, oh. There goes. The hair more. Straight the wheel. Beautiful. About there. Good.
Nope. I just watched that rock go not one. There you go.
So we had to put this together to do the wiring and whatnot. Get the wires all square, get the radiator all square. Now we get to take it apart so we can paint it. Okay.
You never push yourself to a wreck, you'll never get better. Huh, Greg?
Yeah.
I really lift up on it. Or we had to hold it to the side so it's straight and real sharp. I think it was this way or some number.
Where's the
Alright.
Ratchet?
Oh, it's right there.
that thing?
Fucking fit.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Nope.
Do it again.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's put the muffler out.
Nope.
It's like on a lick back.
I'm trying to get a picture of it like right
Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you like what you see, hey, subscribe down below, give us that like button. You can also follow us on Instagram. Make sure that you have your post notifications turned on so you can catch up on when we post something new. With that, have a good time and ride on.